Welcome students. Abhinav Vidyalaya High School Marathi Medium, Standard 8, Subject Mathematics, and we are going to learn lesson number 15. Our today's topics are area of a trapezium and practice set 15.3. Now we are going to learn about the formula to find the area of the trapezium. This is trapezium ABCD. Quadrilateral ABCD is the trapezium. In this trapezium, AB is parallel to DC and AP and BQ are the heights of the trapezium. To find the area of this quadrilateral ABCD, we can find area of triangle APD, area of triangle BQC, and area of this rectangle ABPQ. Okay, so area of triangle APD is equal to 1 by 2 into length DP into height AP plus area of rectangle is equal to length PQ into height, that is AP, plus area of triangle BQC is 1 by 2 into length QC into height. Then by taking height as common, we can write in bracket 1 by 2 into length DP plus length PQ plus 1 by 2 length QC. Bracket complete. Then 1 by 2 into height, length dp plus 2 length pq plus length qc. 1 by 2 into height, length dp plus length pq. Here we have written length ab instead of length pq plus length qc and is equal to 1 by 2 into height into length dp plus length pq plus length qc plus length ab. dp plus pq plus qc, dp plus pq plus qc is equal to dc. So here we have written length dc plus length ab, and therefore area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to 1 upon 2 into sum of the lengths of parallel sides into height, that is area of trapezium. Okay. So we have learnt about the formula to find the area of the trapezium. Now we are going to solve some examples based on this formula. We are going to solve practice set 15.3. Here the first example. This is quadrilateral ABCD. This is trapezium. In quadrilateral ABCD, length AB is equal to 13 cm, length DC is equal to 9 cm, length AD is equal to 8 cm. Find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Now, solution. At first, write given part. Quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. Then AB is parallel to DC and AD is the height of the trapezium. So, write formula. Area of the trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 into sum of the lengths of parallel sides into height. This is the formula. Now replace the values in this formula. Therefore, area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to 1 upon 2 into in bracket AB plus CD. Here AB and CD are the parallel sides into AD. AD is the height. Is equal to 1 upon 2 into 13 plus 9. 13 plus 9 becomes 22 into height 8. And after simplification, we get answer 88 square centimeter. So, area of this quadrilateral ABCD is 88 square centimeter. Now, example number 2. Length of the two parallel sides of a trapezium are 8.5 centimeter and 11.5 centimeter respectively, and its height is 4.2 centimeter. Find its area. Now here the lengths of two parallel sides of the trapezium are given and height is given. We have to find the area. So solution, at first write formula. Area of the trapezium is equal to 1 upon 2 into sum of the lengths of parallel sides into height. Now put here values. 1 upon 2 into parallel sides are 8.5 and 11.5. So in bracket 8.5 plus 11.5 into 4.2. 8.5 plus 11.5 is equal to 20. 1 by 2 into 20 into 4.2 is equal to 10 into 4.2 is equal to 42 square centimeter. This is the answer. Now example number 3. Quadrilateral PQRS is an isosceles trapezium. Length PQ is equal to 7 centimeter. Segment PM is perpendicular to SR. Length SM is equal to 3 centimeter. Distance between two parallel sides is 4 centimeter. Find the area of quadrilateral PQRS. आता बघा काय काय दिलेलं आहे. दिस इज क्वाड्रिलॅटरल PQRS. PQ ची लेंथ आहे 7 सेंटीमीटर. PM is perpendicular to SR, that is PM is the height and PM is equal to 4 centimeter. SM is equal to 3 centimeter. आता आपल्याला याचा एरिया काढायचा आहे. एरिया काढण्याकरता आपल्याला या पूर्ण SR ची लेंथ माहित असणं आवश्यक आहे, पण ती इथे दिलेली नाही. तर आपल्याला आधी SR ची लेंथ फाइंड आउट करणं आवश्यक आहे. त्यासाठी आपण एक कन्स्ट्रक्शन करूयात. ड्रॉ QN परपेंडिक्युलर टू SR. QN ही सेगमेंट ड्रॉ करायची जी SR ला परपेंडिक्युलर असेल. आता PM आणि QN हे दोन्ही सुद्धा काय झाले, PQ आणि SR यांच्यामधलं परपेंडिक्युलर डिस्टन्स आहेत ते, आणि त्यामुळे जी लेंथ PM ची असेल तीच लेंथ QN ची पण असणार आहे, म्हणजेच QN इज इक्वल टू 4 सेंटीमीटर असेल. ओके. त्यानंतर हा जो ट्रायंगल आहे PMS हा राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल आहे, ज्यामध्ये PM आणि SM यांच्या आपल्याला किमती माहिती आहेत. उरलेल्या PS ची किंमत आपल्याला काढायची आहे, त्यासाठी आपण पायथागोरस थेरम वापरणार आहे. तसंच इथे हा आयसोसेलस ट्रॅपेझियम आहे, त्यामुळे PS आणि QR या दोन साइड्स इक्वल असतील. त्यामुळे जर PS ची लेंथ आपल्याला माहिती असेल तर आपल्याला QR ची लेंथ काढता येईल. ठीक आहे. आणि मग त्यावरून पुन्हा NR ची लेंथ फाइंड आउट करायची आणि पुढे एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व करायचं. तर आता आपण सोल्युशन बघूयात. Solution: quadrilateral PQRS is an isosceles trapezium. PS is equal to QR because PQRS is the isosceles trapezium. Again, PM is perpendicular to SR. This is given. Now construction, draw QN perpendicular to SR. QN is equal to 4 centimeter. This is the distance between parallel sides. Then triangle PMS and triangle QNR are right angle triangles. This triangle and this triangle. These two triangles are right angled triangles. In triangle PMS, PS square is equal to PM square plus SM square by Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, PS square is equal to 4 square plus 3 square is equal to 16 plus 9 is equal to 25 is equal to 5 square. And therefore, PS is equal to 5 is equal to QR. Again, NR is equal to 3 centimeter. As I have told you, this triangle is also a right angle triangle, and then using here Pythagoras theorem again, we have got QR is equal to 5 centimeter and QN is equal to 4 centimeter. So by using Pythagoras, we can find NR 3 centimeter. Then PQ, this PQ is equal to MN because this quadrilateral is the rectangle. So PQ is equal to MN is equal to 7 centimeter, and therefore SR is equal to SM plus Mn plus Nr is equal to 3 plus 7 plus 3 is equal to 13 centimeter. Then area of quadrilateral PQRS is equal to 1 upon 2 into sum of the lengths of parallel sides into height is equal to 1 by 2 into PQ plus SR into PM is equal to 1 upon 2 into 7 plus 13 into 4. On simplifying, we get 40 square centimeter. Okay. So the area of the trapezium is 40 square centimeter. Solve practice set 15.3 as homework. Thank you.